Alright guys, good morning. I'm actually at dating point today. Today I was supposed to go to Point Loma and go out there on the kelp, but it was so foggy. Even here it's still foggy. But yeah, let's see how it goes. It's overcast today. It was super foggy this morning, but it's not too bad right now. So a whole bunch of kelp everywhere. Water is about 65 degrees right now. Whoo! Damn, I'm tired. Alright, let's go ahead and do. I'm gonna go all the at the end of the kelp. Then kind of like work my way from south to going back to Dana. Man, I wish I catch a white sea bass or something. Water is like dirty, like brown. I believe it's a red tide though. Alright guys, still nothing. I'm going down south of Dana Point, but there's nothing. No fish. There's another guy with a kayak right there. Yeah, no fish at all. Nothing. So right now I'm actually catching bait fish. Tons of bait fish here. Oh, I got it. Got one. Two bait fish. Wow. Dropped one. Bunch of sardine. Nice sardine. Nice sardine. Nice halibut. Whole bunch of sardine. I'm gonna put straight right down. Look at it. Put straight right down. Tons of sardine. Look at that, you guys. It's crazy. Then fix it. Oh, it's all tangled up. I'm not gonna fix it. I was gonna cast it in there. I gotta toss it out anyway. Look at that. Woo! Alright, got a white sea bass right here. Super nice white sea bass. Super nice white sea bass.